Are you looking for ways to skyrocket your user engagement? Today, we'll show you how to do exactly that with Proof Widgets. This simple tool can transform how your website or app interacts with users, improving conversion rates and creating a more engaging experience for your audience. Stick around to discover how Proof Widgets can instantly boost your engagement and what you can do with it to maximize its potential. First off, what exactly are Proof Widgets? Essentially, they're tools that show real-time activity on your website to create a sense of social proof. When potential users see that others are engaging with your platform, they're more likely to take action themselves. It's a psychological trigger that taps into the idea that if others are doing something, it must be worthwhile. Proof Widgets help you use this trigger by displaying actions like purchases, signups, or downloads in real time. So, why are they so effective for increasing user engagement? When visitors see social proof, it creates a sense of urgency and trust. For example, if you run an e-commerce store, showing that other people are buying the same product can encourage a new visitor to make their own purchase. But that's not all. Proof Widgets allow you to customize and target specific actions based on user behavior, making them even more powerful. You can use Proof Widgets to track and display real-time actions like signups, purchases, or even form submissions. This is where it gets interesting. You can tailor these widgets based on specific triggers. Imagine showing a pop-up that says, 5 others just signed up for this course in the past hour, or X number of people are viewing this product right now. That sense of action and visibility can push your visitors to make quicker decisions, boosting engagement. But it's not just about showing off stats. Proof Widgets can also help you segment your audience. You can display different proof notifications for different user groups, targeting those who are more likely to convert based on their behavior or location. This creates a personalized experience that drives engagement. When using Proof Widgets, it's important to experiment with placement and frequency. Too much proof can become overwhelming and have the opposite effect. Test out different configurations to see what resonates best with your audience. Placement is crucial. Ideally, you want to put the widget in a spot that's easy to see without obstructing other elements of your site. Another key factor is timing. Show proof notifications at the right moment. When a user is about to leave the site or after they've spent some time on a product page, this encourages them to stay engaged longer and increases the likelihood that they'll complete an action. The best part? You can try Proof Widgets completely free by clicking the link in the description below. And when you sign up through our link, you'll get exclusive bonuses that will help you unlock even more potential with this tool. Don't miss out on this opportunity to improve your engagement effortlessly. If you're wondering how Proof Widgets can be implemented on your site, it's actually quite simple. Whether you're using a website builder or a custom platform, integration is usually straightforward. Proof Widgets work with most popular CMS platforms like WordPress, Shopify, and others, and you can start seeing results in just a few clicks. Before we wrap up, remember that the key to maximizing user engagement with Proof Widgets is to be strategic with how you use them. It's not just about showing numbers, it's about showing them at the right time, to the right people, and in a way that feels natural. Lastly, if you want to give Proof Widgets a try for yourself, don't forget that you can sign up through the link below for an exclusive extended free trial. Start improving your user engagement today. There's no better time to get started. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the link for your free trial and exclusive bonuses.